Okay, next, I would like to discuss about the 2025 DSE Economics Paper 1, question 12. And this question is examines about this one is how the fixed cost affect people's behavior and some other topics in average cost. And let's see what are the options. ABC company, which is a food delivery service provider like Kita, Foodpanda, or Deliveroo, and we offers the two payment options to the customers, how they can settle the delivery fee. Okay, the option one is for each order, we require the customers to pay $30 for each order, no matter how expensive or cheap the food is. Option two is we only requires the customer to pay a lump sum of 200 per month, no matter he or she consumes or use our delivery services so many times in a month. We only requires them to pay a single 200 payment, no matter how much they how many times they order the delivery. Okay, so let's see if a customer paying the lump sum membership fee, it means option two. Okay. Okay, let's see the options. Okay, the first one, the customer tends to use the food delivery services more frequently. Okay, if we consider if a customer only use one time, he or she has to bear the cost of 200 per order. Okay, if a customer orders 100 times in a month, okay, he or she only have to pay 200 even he or she order 100 times. Okay, so the average cost per order becomes $2 only per order. So this makes an incentive for the customer to order much more times, because the average cost for each order, which means the delivery fee will be lower. So he or she will tend to use the services more frequently. Comparing to option one is he or she has to pay $30 per order. So one time or 100 times, the average cost is also $30 per order for the delivery fee. So this will not cause the customer to order the food more frequently. So the first option is a correct answer. Okay. So we can use how we can use the economic concepts to apply in this question. We can think about the average cost, how the average cost changes when like the units of outputs increases. Okay, for the second one, he or she tends to order higher priced food when using the food delivery services. Okay, this one seems to be not correct. Why? Because this is an advantage for option one. Because for option one, it means no matter a customer order like $50 McDonald's, or spending on more expensive foods like sashimi or sushi, he or she will also have to pay $30 per order. So when there is a $30 increment in the fixed cost, it decreases the relative price of sushi, because in this original context, sushi cost 10 McDonald meal set. But if each of them increases by $30, it only costs 6.625 McDonald's. Yeah, a sushi only costs 6.625 McDonald's. So the relative price of sushi is relatively is lower. How do we calculate this? Is 530 divide by 80. Okay. So when for option 1, this is a correct statement because the relative price of the high priced food will be lower. But for this, no matter he or she order high priced food, he or she may order much more times, but in each delivery, it will not make an incentive for the customer to order a higher priced food because there's no such effect there. Okay, so if the customer order one time only, he or she has to pay $200 delivery fee per order. Okay, but if he or she consume no matter McDonald's or sushi, he or she also has to pay 200. So there is no such effect. Okay. Okay, the third one, the marginal benefit of the option 2 will be lower. Okay, so let's draw some interesting pictures. The marginal benefit curve seems to be downward sloping, similar like the demand curve, because the benefit, the increase in benefit for each unit will diminish. When I would like to eat ice cream so much. The first unit of ice cream, I value the first unit of ice cream like $10. But after I ate the first unit of ice cream, when I'm considering, should I eat the second unit of ice cream? The second unit should have a lower benefit increment like $9 because I will feel I eat so many ice cream, I feel full, so the extra benefit will be lower than the first unit of ice cream. So the marginal benefit curve is the downward sloping one. Okay, so after paying the lump sum membership fee, we tend to order more food delivery services, so it increases the quantity. Initially, I assume that the quantity consumed is here, but after we pay the lump sum fee, we tend to order more times of delivery, so the quantity becomes here. Okay, so we can see that the marginal benefit of the last unit tends to be lower. This is the correct answer. So the third one is correct. So the final answer is B for boy.